Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick video today on some of our nice little plays we had. And of course, we are going to start off with ALRN. We were looking for 50% move on this stock. The theme so far this week has been biotechs and low floats, especially ones with a lot of cash. And ALRN met that perfectly. And we were waiting for the downtrend breakout this morning, which was approximately 116. We got in a little bit early, 110 to 114ish, waiting for the news, and a couple hours later, as is always the case in this market, people hate the stock at $1.16, they love it at $1.85. My target here was simply the 50-day moving average at 158. Nothing like having a 50% winner over the course of, 3-4 hours minimum. When we were looking at the chart, we saw that RSI was about to break up through the 50 level, which was an indication that that stock was coiling. We had a very nice ADX cross. We had a money flow positive cross. So everything was lined up for this stock to go on a big move. And we just happened to get a press release leaked, which is probably why it ended up breaking out when the volume came in. What has been driving stocks like this? Actually, I'll go over that in a little bit. One of these other setups that we have going into the next couple of days, CYCC, this was an alert yesterday. Again, same premise. They have $1.50 cash per share. So we're able to buy this stock at a 50% discount to its cash. If we were to go in, buy up all the stock in this company, sell everything, we'd have $1.50 in cash and we'd double our money, is essentially how stupid and irrational the market has gotten. And if you've seen, there's been a lot of irrational moves in this market. This is one that will eventually correct. $1.50 in cash. We finally broke up above here. You'll probably start seeing all the scanners telling people to buy this stock on the break of the 50-day moving average at 87 cents. You can see, similar to ALRN, we got a push up through the 50-day or the 50 RSI, which is a very nice trend change. We have a very strong stochastics level. Money flow has gone green. Everything looks very, very good for a continuation move on this stock tomorrow. Now, a big driver of this action over the last couple of days, we had MBOT going big, but the other one was, of course, BIOC. Huge move over the last couple of days. But what happened to this stock here is what we call Wainwrighted. What is that, you say? Wainwright is one of these third, fourth tier pump stock brokers who run up stocks that don't have options and they have low volume, and then they drop a financing 50% lower. Now, BIOC has not done that yet, but this is one that I would not be surprised based on this kind of action that we've seen. These guys have done financing before for BIOC, so they're probably the ones behind this big move we've seen here. Now, if we look at one of the other ones that they did, some stocks they wait a couple of days, some stocks they rush out the door to drop the financing. KTOV was one yesterday. Stock was $1.10, got a press release. They jammed the crap out of this stock, and then lo and behold, this morning it gets Wainwrighted. $1.50 financing, and back down she goes. So we'd probably not be surprised to see a similar thing happen on this one. I mean, we saw it happen on, the one that really started this move over the last couple of days was MBOT. Absolutely fantastic move. They did 2 financings yesterday in the same day. One is bad enough, 2 in the same day. Holy crap. Now, one of our stocks that is really being frustrating right now is Ritter. It's got $2 in cash per share. It's got a low float, but it did a convertible preferred financing offering late last year. And with this stock ready to break out over the last couple of days, there's been some tool sitting on the ask, stopping it and slowly walking it down. Now, we've seen this happen on a lot of other stocks. This is probably these guys converting their shares, getting it into common before they do one of those Rama Jamma moves here. A little bit of patience in there. Ideally, we should have stopped out on the 80-cent break, but it looks so good with these other stocks moving. And that's the annoyance with this market sometimes. You could have a fantastic stock like this that loaded with cash that won't go right away, and then you'll have a turd like KTOV that'll double or triple, or MBOT that'll go up 500 or 600%. Sometimes it requires a little bit of patience. Today I'm hoping we saw the final flush out the door of some weekends. I'm going to give this one probably another couple of days, especially with the way some of these stocks are moving. Going into tomorrow, another stock that we had an alert on late today that we're going to be keeping an eye on tomorrow is GLBS. Has a nice little cup, rounded cup formation here. 4 to 410 is really the break spot. And if you're looking for a really easy target to go for, we'd be looking at the 50-day at 438. And then if the crazies came in, we'd be looking at the 200-day moving average at 539. You can see this is a stock with a history of big moves. It's kind of been sideways, slowly moving up. So this is a stock I'd be looking for a move into tomorrow. And then last but not least, SNOA. I talked about this one in the video over the weekend. And again, another one absolutely coiled for a breakout. And again, this is going to be a stock that they hate here at 78 cents. And when it's over $1, these guys are going to be going all in and chasing it. It's just the nature of the market that we're in right now. You can see this very nice trend break that we have. You'll start seeing people rush into this on a break of this blue line here, the 50-day moving average. Again, like the other stocks that are breaking out, RSI has broken up through 50. That's a very strong momentum indicator. We've got a nice curl upward on ADX, another momentum indicator, and stochastics rocking and rolling here. Again, another very nice indicator that we could see some nice upside on this one tomorrow as traders look for some of these biotechs to chase. So that's it for the video. I'll see you all in the chat room tomorrow. Bye.